Yep, yep.
What's your background with Airstream? Like, how did your first Airstream interaction?
Well, we've got a picture at home of me when I was 1.5 years old, which obviously I don't remember this on Easter. And my grandmother had taken a picture, and in the background is like a mid 60s, early 60s Globetrotter or something. So my grandfather had them, and I used to go camping. I was raised on a dairy farm, so when I was little, I could leave for the summer and go with my grandma and grandpa. So that's always been fantastic memories. And I grew up and ended up in agricultural field. I never had any time to take off. So then my wife had brought it up, and I said, I'm gonna get an Airstream. Okay. And as Clayton said earlier, I used to restore muscle cars as a hobby, so it was a pretty easy segue over to taking them completely apart like I did the cars and restoring them from the ground up. So that's how we got started, and I found some rare ones, and that's where the first big project that he alluded to earlier was a 1947 Airstream liner, and I had bought two of them. They only made 90, and I ended up with two, so I put one up for sale, and a general from South Carolina was interested in it. He bought it basically off pictures and asked us to restore it, and that's really David Rogers. Thank you. He's kind of the guy that got us our foot going in the right direction. And then I had bought quite a bit of inventory over the years, and when we started doing the restorations, we would sell them to the people and restore them. And eventually it evolved in where I had joined the Airstream Club and started making a lot of connections. People like, well, would you be willing to do an air conditioner? And they saw our work, and our business has really moved into the newer ones. So there's just a big demand for people to have independent contractors take care of their stuff.